Now I would like to focus on different kind of the fellowship which is given by the various ministry. For the teacher in the field of higher education, he or she should be know the fellowships. Apart from UGC, there are the different kind of fellowships which are provided by the government of India. For example, Ministry of Science and Technology, we have some kind of fellowship. For example, Young of Science Chair and Professorship, J.C. Bose National Fellowship, Ramanuj Fellowship, National Postdoctoral Fellowship, Early Care Research Award. So, these are the various awards and fellowships are available under the Ministry of Science and Technology. There are some programs which is partnership, we can make a partnership with the other institute also. At the national level we have some program. For example, Prime Minister Fellowship for Doctoral Research, Abdul Kalam Teen Fellowship, Research and Development Scheme on Food Processing, Cell Tower and Mobile Radiation Program, Graduate Research Opportunity Worldwide, it is very well known as GROW program, Indian and US Grand Challenge, Newton and Bhabha International Fellowship, Overseas Doctoral Fellowship, Partnership for International Research and Education, PIRE is known as the PIRE, SN Bose Scholar Program. So, these are the partnership program which is funded by the Ministry of Science and Technology Department. There are another some schemes and programs. For example, co-research grant, high risk high reward research, industry relevant and RD, empowerment and equity opportunity for the excellence in science, intensification of research in higher priority areas, international travel support, assistance to professional bodies and seminar and symposia, startup grant for young scientists. So, these are the some schemes and program provided by the fellows as a fellowship of Ministry of Science and Technology. There are some international fellowships are available. For example, Visiting Advanced Joint Research, Prime Minister Fellowship for Doctoral Research, R&D scheme for food processing. So, these are all are connected with the international level. I am from Savitribai Phule Pune University. So, we are also initiating in the field of research. We started Aspire Research portal, Savitribai Phule Pune University initiation, the new funding program that Aspire, assisted by the SPPU for the project based innovative research. Savitribai Phule Pune University started the Aspire Research portal, well known as that, assisted by SPPU project based innovative research. We are also started two kind of the proposal under this Aspire scheme for the teachers those are affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. This is one example, minor research proposal up to 3 lakhs in all subject and major research proposal up to 15 lakh in all subjects. So, now in Pune University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, we are opening this two kind of the project for the teachers who are affiliated to Pune University, and the period is research period is only 2 years. University Grant Commission already announced about minor research project and major research project. Nowadays it is on discussion, holding on discussion, but UGC is providing two kind of the project, minor research project. It is applicable for all the subject. The assistant is giving for maximum 2 to 5 lakh. The period of this research is 2 year only, and the assistant is available for books, journal, chemicals, equipments, contingency and special needs and travels. Proposal should be submitted in 4 copies in bind volume to Deputy Registrar Planning and Development, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. So, under UGC each university is providing this kind of the project. Major research project is on all subject. Only difference is major and minor, that maximum assistant available 15 lakh rupees. All things are same for the research proposal. So, each university is opening this major and minor research to everyone. Nowadays it is holding for discussion. That is why we have to choice for different kind of the research agencies. UGC also start up grant. For the assistant professor, UGC are giving and startup grant. An applicant is an assistant professor who has been appointed against the permanent vacancy following due to procedure of the university. The applicant is PhD within the 5 research publication in reputed journal. This is the major important condition. So, he or she will be able to apply for this UGC startup grant. As determined by the impact factor of the journals and their inclusion in international database like Scopus, Skyfinder and Web of Science. The application is submitted within a period of 1 year from the date of joining of the university. Financial assistance to visually handicapped teacher. Visually handicapped permanent teacher to pursue teaching and research in the field of higher education, UGC is providing them also some kind of the assistance for the research. UGC have a different type other scheme for the teacher to do research in the field of higher education. For example, special scheme for construction of women hostel for colleges, faculty development programs for colleges, organizing conference, workshop, seminar in colleges, development assistant to the college for the construction to the building, network research center in the colleges, instrumentation facility in colleges, SAP program is well known, that special assistant program, and CP is also well known, that college with the potential for excellence. These are the other scheme which is funded by the UGC. For individual purpose, UGC also opens some kind of the fellowships. For example, research fellowship, it is well known to JRF and SRF, junior research fellowship and senior research fellowship. We have some scheme from UGC like emeritus fellowship, travel grant scheme for college teacher and college librarians, postgraduate merit scholarship scheme for university rank holders, research fellowship in science for meritorious students, Dr. D.S. Kotari postdoctoral fellowship PDF in sciences and medical sciences and engineering sciences, Dr. E.S. Radhakrishnan postdoctoral fellowship in humanities and social sciences, including languages. Research projects for teachers, we discussed already major and minor. UGC have a JRF in engineering and technology also. Those students who wish to pursue the PhD degree in the field of engineering and technology with ME or MTech are given this opportunity through a direct interview conducted by the commission. There are the 50 slots under the scheme for per year. NET examination is in this field. No national eligibility test examination in this field. We have a faculty improvement programs. There are some eligibility, very simple, that teacher wish to do the PhD in university and college under the section 2F and 12B. Full salary of awardee and research grant,